Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 5 class 9th science English medium. As you know that your revision worksheet is going on, today we will discuss about the air pollution. A class 9th student named Sneha was talking to her mother about she enjoyed the fresh air and clear sky during the lockdown period. Her mother said that this happened due to decrease in air pollution. Sneha could recall that Delhi was enveloped under blanket of smoke few months ago. एक 9वीं क्लास की बच्ची है स्नेहा, जो लॉकडाउन पीरियड में जो इतना आसमान जो क्लियर हो गया था उसको याद करती है. तो उसकी मदर कहती है सब इसलिए हुआ था कि उस टाइम एयर पोल्यूशन कम हो गया था. एयर पोल्यूशन इज ए मैटर ऑफ ग्रेट कंसर्न, नॉट ग्रेव कंसर्न. Few things that ran across her mind were: first, when air is contaminated by unwanted substances which have harmful effects on both the living and non-living is called or is known as air pollution. This is the definition of air pollution. कि जब भी हवा जो है contaminated हो जाती है कोई भी अवांछित पदार्थों से जो कि सजीव और निर्जीव दोनों के लिए हानिकारक है, उसको हम air pollution कहते हैं. And the substances which contaminate the air are known as air pollutants. और जिनकी वजह से हवा खराब होती है, जैसे कि चाहे उसके अंदर कार्बन हो, सल्फर हो, नाइट्रोजन हो, डस्ट पार्टिकल हो, पोलन ग्रेन्स हो, all these are known as air pollutants. So now try to match the source of air pollution from the box with the picture. Draw line to match. Factory emission, you will show this one. Firewood burning, this one. काउ डंग केक बर्निंग, दिस वन. और व्हीकल इमिशन भी ये आ जाएगा. तो बहुत आसान सा है इसके अंदर. नेक्स्ट इज स्मोग. नाउ द टू वर्ड्स आर देयर, स्मोग एंड फोग. फोग इज सिंपली द वाटर वेपर्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन एयर विच कंडेंसेस व्हेन द टेम्परेचर गोज बिलो सम पर्टिकुलर लेवल. Smog is actually a thick fog-like layer in atmosphere, especially during the winter, made up of fog and smoke. Remember this, when the smoke enters, that means the pollution enters the fog, it becomes smog, which is very dangerous. You can easily see the difference. This is the smoke condition and this is the natural condition. Now you have to define air pollution and air pollutants, which we have discussed in the last slides. You can write it from here. Both the definition are there, so this will be your answer number 1. Next is, what are the causes of air pollution? So this also you can write from here. Factory emission, firewood burning, cow dung burning, and vehicular emission. All these 4 points can be your answer number 2. These 4 points you can write. Next is third, what is smog? So this definition you can write from here. Third question, smog, this is a thick fog-like layer in the atmosphere during the winter made up of fog and smoke. यहाँ तक. Fourth question is, suggest some measures to control air pollution. How can you can contribute to control air pollution? You have to write some features. So you can see from here. By using public transport, we can reduce. By turning off the lights when not in use. Recycle and reuse. No use of plastic. Reduction of forest fires. Smoking. Use of fans instead of air conditioners. And use of filters for chimney. Avoid use of crackers. 9th is plantation. So all these points you can write for the answer number 4. So hope you like this worksheet. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.